Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try black and white printed half sleeve shirt with black pants and black loafers. Next you can try green printed shirt with tan pants and tan loafers. Next you can try white oversized t-shirt with white pants and brown and white sneakers. Next you can try maroon full sleeve t-shirt with tan pants and white sneakers. Next you can try blue printed half sleeve shirt with teal blue pants and white sneakers. Next you can try black shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try grey stripe oversized t-shirt with black pants and grey sneakers. Next you can try light brown half sleeve shirt with white pants and black sneakers. Next you can try green half sleeve shirt with sky blue jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try grey half sleeve shirt with black pants and black and white sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 white pants outfit ideas.